Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva covers. To begin, open Canva and search for cover to find a wide array of templates. You can also start with a blank design, ensuring you set the correct dimensions, like 1920 by 1080 pixels for a Facebook cover. This initial step is crucial for a professional and well-fitting final product, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. Now, let's dive into customizing your cover. You can add your own text, choosing from hundreds of fonts and adjusting their size and color to make your message pop. Upload your unique images or select from Canva's extensive photo library. Experiment with different background colors and textures to create a visually appealing and cohesive design that truly stands out. To elevate your cover, explore Canva's powerful features. If you have a brand kit, apply your specific colors and logos for instant brand recognition across all your designs. Experiment with photo effects, filters, and animations to add dynamic flair. Grouping elements, like text and shapes, helps maintain perfect alignment and makes editing much more efficient, saving you valuable time. Finally, it's time to save and export your masterpiece. Always save your work regularly as you design. When you're ready, download your cover in the best format for its intended use. PNG is excellent for high quality, while JPG is great for smaller file sizes. Before finalizing, take a moment to review everything, ensuring all elements are perfectly placed and your message is clear. You've created a fantastic cover.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.